Welcome back to DIY with Dave. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this ice melt spreader from stuff you have lying around your house. It's winter here in western Pennsylvania, and this winter has actually been really mild. I'm not complaining. I don't enjoy the super cold, frigid weather, but I don't mind the snow, and we haven't gotten much of it this year. But with spring coming up here, I am certain that we are going to get hit with some spring snowstorms. And so I thought I'd show you guys this awesome trick that I learned to take stuff you have lying around your house, literally garbage, that you would throw out, and actually make an awesome ice melt spreader with it. So here we go. The nice thing about using this kind of spreader, first of all, it doesn't cost you anything. Second of all, it actually spreads really evenly. The way that the top kind of funnels out, you're able to really spread the ice melt where it needs to go. I think it actually works a lot better than even a lot of the store-bought spreaders that you can use. Granted, it's not for a really large space. It works best in smaller areas, but it's perfect for that job. So that's all there is to it. I hope that you learned something from this video that is useful to you, that is helpful to you. I can't take all the credit for this. I first saw my father-in-law use something like this, and I thought it was a great idea, so I started using it myself. I've used it for years, and it works perfectly. So take it, use it, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and let me know in the comments if you have any other great DIY ideas to make your winter easier. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.